that's how the more defense. They were tough. Yeah, you got to give the Spartan defense a lot of credit. They did an outstanding job on that.
Down here in the videotape bowl.
Self-made offense in the first half. So our score is 7-0. As we work our way through it, we'll start to see how that goes. You got to come back and come back and make a run through the winning spread. Scoreboard to get speed on some of the limits where we have.
When the countdown is Steve Harbaugh. John Ross, a winning second inside of the 2004 F-150.